Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we're looking at a trade-in we have here in stock. It's a 2005 Chevy Venture van with a Braun Entervan conversion, a side entry conversion, wheelchair accessible van. Pretty cool. Here at Freedom Motors USA, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of hundreds of vans, trucks, SUVs, crossovers, and this is just a fresh trade-in that we've taken in. It's a side entry Braun. It's a competitor vehicle, and we've taken it in on trade, and it's for sale, $12,995. It's a 2005 model with 134,000 miles. It's got a side entry, wheelchair accessible ramp. There you go here. Really good lighting in here. Now with the side entry, you have the flexibility of sitting your chair, parking your chair here in the middle, or you can have it set up to be the driver or the passenger. You have the flexibility and the option to, with the right equipment, with the Easy Lock system and with hand controls, you can drive your wheelchair from the driver's seat. You can drive from your wheelchair. It is a possibility. Or you can transfer over into the chair from, there's lots of different possibilities. You can be a passenger, driver, in the middle, and then you have three passengers, 3 seat belts. Got 3 people can sit in the back. So you got 3, 4, 5, 6 total people can ride, including the wheelchair occupant. So that's pretty cool. And it's only $12,995, so pretty inexpensive. These wheelchair accessible vehicles, these conversions themselves sometimes are 15, 20 grand. So to get a van and everything with the wheelchair conversion is for $12,900 is pretty good. If you're interested in this van, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. Freedom Motors has been in business over 30 years. We have cars, trucks, Suburbans, Kia Sorentos, Chevy Silverados, GMC Yukons, GMC Sierras. We got a huge selection of vehicles. Check out our website, freedommotors.com, to check out our entire inventory. We have brand new vehicles as well. This one's an older trade-in we've taken in, but most of our vehicles in stock are 2016, 17s, and 18s. So this is one of the older ones we got at the lower price point. They range all the way up to 70, 80 grand if you get it to a Suburban in the Silverados. But this is a really good-looking van, a lot of bang for the buck, only $12,995, 134,000 miles, V6 engine, side entry Braun Entervan. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Visit our website at freedommotors.com. Please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube page, and have a great day. Thanks for watching my video.